Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to lock Excel cells from editing. For example, in this Excel sheet I have the data of sales target and incentive plan for Q1 2025. My requirement here is to lock the cells from editing so that users cannot make change in the values. And I will also show you how to unlock some specific range, because in this particular data I need to unlock this range because here I have to track the achievements. First of all, let's see how to lock the cells from editing. To lock the cells from editing, click on this format tool in the home tab. Click on this, then here you have an option that is protect sheet. Click on this, then here you have to put the password for sheet protection. Let me put here 1234 just for example. Then click on OK. Re-enter the password, then click on OK. Now the cells are locked from editing. If you click on a cell, then try to change the value. Here you see the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet. You might be requested to enter the password. So to make the cells editable, you have to first provide the password. If you try to delete the columns, here you see the delete option is grayed out. So you cannot do any change here in this sheet. Now to unlock this part only for editing, you have to first unprotect the whole sheet. For that, go to the format button, unprotect sheet, put the password, click on OK. Right click on this selected range, click on format cells. Then in the protection tab, deselect the locked option, then click on OK. Again go to the format button, click on protect sheet, put the password, click on OK, re-enter the password, then click on OK. Now what happens is, if you try to edit the values in these cells, the cells are editable. But if you try to edit the values in these locked cells, here you see the cell or chart you are trying to change is on protected sheet. So this is how you can lock cells from editing in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in next video.